Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Gucci becomes first major brand to achieve ApeCoin payments. Gucci has ramped up its Web3 initiatives by allowing crypto nerds to purchase its products with ApeCoin in its stores, adding to a list of 12 other digital assets it accepts for payment. High-end Italian fashion giant Gucci has become the first major brand to achieve payment in the form of the Bored Up Yacht Club affi- affiliated Upcoin APE. The move was announced on Monday and called provide the Upcoin project with significant mainstream exposure, along with bringing further utility to the cryptocurrency. Gucci customers in the United States will now be able to purchase a term in store with app while the payment infrastructure will be provided by BitPay, a firm that has helped big names such as AMC deter achieve crypto payment in the past. Despite the ongoing crypto bear market, the fashion brand has taken a serious plunge into the crypto sector this year. In February, Gucci kicked it off with the Super Gucci NFT collection in collaboration with Finley. The brand SUPERPLASTEC. The following month, Gucci rolled out the Gucci Grail NFT collection targeted toward owners of top NFT projects such as the Baked BAYC. In mind, the firm then went on to announce plans to accept 12 crypto assets as payment method across one and one stores in North America. The list included Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Ether, ETH, Whippered, Bitcoin, VBW, BTC, Litecoin, LTC, Shiba, Inu, SHIB, Dejection, DOGE, and Vive US dollar stablecoin. Vice collector seem to have shown transport support for Gucci's crypto move so far, with pseudonymous Twitter personality, and BAT of short is claiming to be the first person to pay for Gucci item. In ATH at the brand.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.